Speaking of drinks, people are dipping their ice cream cones inside of their Coke at McDonald's. How does that make you feel right away? What's your initial reaction to
that? I mean, if that's what they want to do, you do you.
You don't sound into it right now.
I mean, I'm looking at the pictures. I kind of want to try it.
Okay.
But I'm not opposed to it. They have A&W root beer.
You're apprehensive. Yeah, a float.
Yeah, the root beer.
That's all
float.
it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I grew up doing this as a kid, just at home. I would take a scoop of vanilla ice cream in the root beer and have a root beer float. Of course, you can do it with Coke as well, but I just feel like the float is not hot right now. No one's talking about the float.
Yeah, that was a classic, and then it just kind of died down.
Yeah, so the float lost its... And then all you need, Will, as you can see, you see the little logo in the right picture there? In the bottom right corner of the right picture. What is that logo?
TikTok.
It's a TikTok. Yeah. That's all you need. Somebody popular on TikTok just has to dunk their cone, and everyone, it's like a new thing that never existed before. To a whole new generation. Well, nah, we've been on the float. Maybe not often enough to keep it trending, but people are cutting back on the sugar and the junk food. You can't have these floats. But when I was a kid, like I'm saying, it was a thing that people did. Well, now they're doing a DIY version. All you got to do is get the soft serve from McDonald's and pop it into the Coca-Cola. You're going to have to pour out about half of your Coca-Cola because otherwise you're going to have a volume issue. And what you get is this creamy kind of almost like a Coca-Cola milkshake type of thing.
Right.
And it's a very interesting combination. She called it a black cow, and they're calling it a food hack. Well, I mean, in reality, it's just a float.
Yeah.
You can't order a float in the McDonald's in the U.S., so they won't do it for you. So therefore, it's a DIY style. Maybe you got to give it a shot next time you're there, Will.